Good morning, guys. 2 more hubs. That was one I did last night. That's one I did before that. So that's 4 yellow ones that fit this size spool, or reel spool, I think. And then there was 4 red ones yesterday. And I think I'll reuse this that I printed a few months ago. And you can probably guess what it's going to be. Well, you might be able to. And those last 2 took 3 hours 52 minutes. So multiply that by 4. That's about 16 hours of printing just for the hubs. Well, I'm quite keen to see if it works. I think I might have to print an adapter for the axle, a thicker axle, to increase the gearing, because I think we'll have trouble turning those wheels. We'll see. Hi guys, another rubber band powered car. Now, if you've watched my rubber band powered cars before, you may have seen this 3D printed chassis. I think I had CD wheels on it, but I've done enough 3D printing now to have quite a few empty spools or reels. So I've printed some hubs to go on them. That one's a bit thin, but it'll do for demonstration purposes. I just wondered if it would work. It seemed a good use of these reels. So, just to show you what the hubs look like. It's as simple as that. Unfortunately, these reels aren't all the same internal diameter. These 2 are. And these are a slightly different diameter. I had to print the inner ring. Can we see that? 59 millimeters diameter, and those were 58. So that one won't fit in there. Sorry, other way around. That one won't fit in there. That one will. Whereas that one's a loose fit in there, and that one's a nice tight fit. Like that. So assemble 4 wheels and use this old chassis. The rubber band goes up the middle of this one, held in place by that, which means I need this to be able to reach all the way up inside to get hold of the rubber band. Bit of a design flaw that. I should have made that wider. Probably with slots down the side so you could reach inside. But this is what I did, so we'll use it. Well, that went together quite easily. At this end, I don't know if I mentioned that in the introduction, I've actually printed a little, what can we call it? Well, a hub, I suppose, to It's got a little peg sticking out on it to attach the motor to, but I'm thinking of not attaching the rubber band direct. I'm thinking I'll probably use a bit of cotton and only have about half the length of rubber band, or maybe even less than that. Because if I just put the rubber band right the way to the end here, it'll probably overfill it. I don't know, I could give it a try with the rubber band first, and if that doesn't work, then we'll use some string, cotton. See if we can get away with just 2 cheap rubber bands, because they happen to be laying on the table. It might work. Yeah, pretty heavy. Okay, I've got to go and get me stick again to reach in and get the rubber band, because there's no way you're going to get hold of that. And we'll send it back the other way. I'll put the camera at the other end so we can go up towards it. Well, I'm rather pleased with that. I've had it in mind to do that ever since I started doing the 3D printing, and realised that these were going to be left over with not much to do with them. I don't want to throw them away. So there we go, a 3D printed rubber band powered car with the filament spools or reels for the wheels.